Welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka. Hope you all are doing great. So let's start today's video. But before it, you have to like the video and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. So let's start today.
Student, in today's tutorial we are going to revise some topics of chapter number 3. Okay, so this video is for the revision purpose. Please watch it carefully. Let's start. First of all, we have to revise the syllabus. Okay, let's review your syllabus. In your syllabus of semester, chapter number 3, working with tables, chapter number 4, advanced feature of access, chapter number 5, list and tables in HTML file, and topics of artificial intelligence till artificial neural network will come. Okay, so in artificial intelligence, many topics are there, like what is AI, who coined the term, in which year it comes in the existence, then strong AI, weak AI, applications of AI, after that artificial neural network. So student, you can watch the videos properly which are related to AI and read the topics, go through each and every topic from your computer book related to chapter number 3, 4 and 5. Still you are facing any problem, you can write in my YouTube channel comment box or you can ask in the WebEx class. Okay, so let's start some revision topics of chapter number 3. Student, data type of field determines the kind of value or data it can store. It means it will specify that which type of data type you are going to use. Clear? In which particular field. Like if you are using text data type, okay, so you can set the field according to that. If you are using the roll number, so you can set the number field. So many data types are there, like memo, number, date and time, currency, auto number, yes, no, OLE, hyperlink, attachment. Okay, many more are there. Hiding a column means that you can make a field invisible temporarily. Like for some time you can make the column invisible. This is the meaning of hiding. With the unhide option, you can again bring it on the screen. Freeze a column means to make it the leftmost column of the data sheet. It means even you will scroll to the right side, but still that column will be visible. So with the help of freeze column, you can make it leftmost column. The two parts of design view are the top pane called the field grid pane and the bottom pane called the field properties pane. Let me show the diagram. You can see student parts of design view. The upper part, you can see field name, data type and description. Okay, this is the part of field grid pane. Field grid pane, which parts are there? Field name, data type. Field name, you can write the field name like roll number, name, address, all will come in field name. Data type you can select according to your requirement, text, number, auto number, date, time, currency, etc. In description you can write something about it. Clear? Now you can see the lower part which I have encircled with red color, also field properties. You can see student field properties. Okay, so two panes are there, field grid and field properties. So the field properties window is used to set the different properties of the selected field. The field you will select, only that property will be visible in the field properties pane. So student, now again come to our recap part. On the fifth point, field grid pane contains the field name, data type and description column. Okay, and field properties window is used to set the different properties of the selected field. Now we will discuss about the primary key. As you know student, that primary key is very important. Okay, so and one thing more about the primary key, I want to tell you that a primary key is a special column, okay, in a table which can uniquely identify all the records in a table. The primary key field can never be empty and will never and will always contain unique value. Okay, it will never null. It should be never null and always contain the unique value. Unique value means which value you can't repeat. So some features are also there of the primary key. We can say some characteristic that it uniquely identify each record. It can't contain duplicate values. It is never empty. Its value should not change. Okay, student. So all these points are related to chapter number 3. I have tried to explain it. Now it's your turn. You have to revise the topics properly. Okay, go through each and everything. First of all, you should understand data sheet view, design view. Okay, field tab are under the table tools always present. So all these small things you will understand when you will go through each and every topic of your chapter from the computer book. Still beta, if any problem there, I have already told you, you can ask in my YouTube channel comment box. I will reply shortly. So prepare well. Best of luck for your semester exam. Goodbye.